Alright, folks, this one goes out to my two bestest friends in the whole world, Patrick and his big peanut guy. It's a little ditty called
Goofy Goober!
I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah. I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah.
DJ, time for the test. No baby can resist singing along to this. SpongeBob, it's the Goofy Goober theme song.
I know. Oh, I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah. I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah.
And here's your triple gooberberry sunrise, sir.
Oh, triple gooberberry sunrise, huh? I guess I could use one of those.
There you go.
Boy, Pat, that hit the spot. I'm feeling better already.
Yeah.
Waiter, let's get another round over here.
Oh, I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah. I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober, yeah.
All right, you invertebrates, I'm gonna teach you how to do the sponge. Well, if you take your leg and you stick it in the air, and then you take the other one and jam it right up there, you twist yourself around and give a great big lunge. Now you're doing the sponge. I do the sponge, sponge, or do the sponge. That's your bunch of doing the sponge. Well, now first you take your leg and you stick it in the air. And then you take the other one and you jam it right up there. You twist yourself around and you give a great big lunge. Well, now you're doing, now you're doing the sponge. All right now, yeah, do the sponge, sponge, or do the sponge. Before you know you're taking the plunge. I said the sponge, sponge, or do the sponge. That's your bunch of doing the sponge. Yeah, that's your bunch of doing the sponge. Oh yeah, well, you're doing the sponge. Oh, I said the sponge, sponge, you do the sponge. Yeah, do the sponge, sponge, we'll do the sponge. We'll do the sponge, do the sponge. Now do the sponge. We'll do the sponge, do the sponge. Oh, 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 do the sponge. Yeah, well, oh, 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 do the sponge. Oh, oh, yeah, well, oh, wait, the sponge. Yeah, the sponge. We'll do the sponge, oh, we'll do the sponge.
Hey, everybody! It's good to be here at the Krusty Cantina. We got a real special show for y'all tonight, featuring my new best pal, this guy. He's an idiot.
So, what are we gonna sing about, SpongeButt?
We're gonna sing a song about friends.
What kind of friends, SpongeButt?
Well, listen up and I'll tell you. Who's there for you when you are sad and down?
Hey!
Idiot friends.
Who picks you up and smacks you all around?
Idiot friends. Who puts thorns in you so you can save the town?
Idiot friends, idiot friends,
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da do do do.
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da da da.
Idiot friends.
Dee da da do 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 do. You know, SpongeBob, all we've been doing is singing about what I've done for you. Well, what have you done for me?
Who helps you pick your pants up off the ground?
Thanks, buddy.
Curses!
Only an idiot friend would do that.
Let's bring it home, idiot friend.